Ella, look at that fluffy white cloud. I wonder where it's going. Let's follow it.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds way up in the sky.
All different shapes and sizes.
Watch them floating by. What do you see?
Looks like an octopus to me.
Clouds are fluffy, clouds are light. Each one has a different size, made of water floating in the air.
Look, the clouds are everywhere.
What do you see?
Looks like an elephant to me.
And what do you see?
A penguin standing happily. Lots of clouds up in the sky. Watch them as they're floating by.
If the clouds start turning gray,
It could be a rainy day.
clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds way up in the sky.
What do you see?
Looks like a dragon to me.
And what do you see?
It's a giant flying bumblebee.
And when the flowers feel too dry, rain will drip from the sky.
Rain, rain, falling down from our friends, the lovely clouds. Rain is helpful, don't you know? It helps the good things grow. Come on, everybody.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds as they drift away.
Thank them for the awesome show.
And all the lovely rain. Thank you, clouds.
Hi! Mama Songbird's eggs are going to hatch soon. We're going to make her a bird table so she's got plenty of food for her chicks.
A songbird sits in a tree. But look at that, there's more to see. 5 little eggs in her nest right now. Let's help her out. I'll show you how. Whistle with the birds.
Whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty. Aww.
Let's make a bird feeder out of wood. Add some decoration, make it look so good.
The birds will need a place to eat. Soon we'll hear them tweet, tweet, tweet.
And we'll whistle with the birds.
Whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty.
The seeds and nuts are ready to eat.
Yay!
Add a little water with a tweet, tweet, tweet.
The eggs are shaking. Yeah, the whole batch